Good morning, everybody. So by now, I'm sure you've seen the video on whether I should be going back and forth to Puerto Rico. Well, y'all know maybe you don't know, but this is the second annual boys trip that's rolling up out of here in a few hours. So, I don't care what she say. Oh man, I'm taking this trip. And it's gonna be the boys. Oh, she called it the little boys trip. The little boys trip. Yeah, okay. We'll see. Yes, family. So yeah, that's how it is. But you know what? Chloe's getting her hair cut right now. And when she gets back, she thinks she's gonna go to Puerto Rico too. But you know what? Not this time. Because somebody said, oh, it's the little boys trip. Sorry, Chloe. It's the little boys trip only. No girls allowed. What's up, everybody? So today in Virginia, 44 degrees. This weather's all over the place. I'm just going to go somewhere that I know that is 82 degrees at minimum every day. I'm out of here. I can't do it. I'm out. All right, welcome everybody. Yes sir, it was the Mini Cooper. It was sitting there waiting with about I'm gonna say about 5 inches of water. But yeah, I had to I had to scoop the water out the floor, lift up the carpet. Now I gotta let it dry. Still have some maintenance to do on it from the previous trip. I was having a couple sensors all messed up and jacked up. So yeah. Okay, this is why you have to come home every so often, with or without your significant other. Are you feeling me? Are you feeling me? Are you feeling me? Yes. This is one of the reasons that you have to come home with or without your significant other, because anything like this can happen. You can't make this stuff up right here. You cannot make this stuff up. That's about 80 solo cups. It don't matter the color. Alright, this time it's not bad at all. I sprayed pretty good, so we only have a little bit of growth. I can hit that with the weed eater. So these pictures were courtesy of a friend that took these for us. As you can see, this is what happens when you're gone for more than 2.5 months. This was about 3.5 months, maybe 4 months. And look what we got. That's not bad. The back is looking good. Nothing has grew back over top. These have just started to grow, but they haven't reached my size yet. So yeah, this is what I have to maintain and keep it off of my premises. So this is one of the reasons. See that vine growing right there? There's times that I come back that there's 1 million of them and they already have breached the neighborhood. So, hey people, here we go. I am out back doing my yard maintenance on my birthday. I have some all natural weed killer with some vinegar, salt, and some dish detergent. All natural. I have it in a actually have it in a Roundup container, but try to be eco-friendly in my neighborhood. You see the butterflies and the chickens and the cats, the gatos. But yeah, this is what I do to fend off. This is why I have to come back at least every 2.5 months. But I was here a month ago, and as you can see, this time I wasn't gone long, so it looked pretty good back here. It doesn't look bad. This is our pineapple plant right here. Oh yeah, there's no work to be done here. 2.5 months. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Let's get it. Let's get with it. I have finished all of the yard work. Took a half a day of my birthday. It's all good because look what it looks like. Nice and clean. Nice and trimmed and manicured just like it should.